Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy, the African mom. You're welcome. And today I'm going to show you an easy way to make a quick salmon stew. Yeah, salmon stew. Okay, so anytime, now the coronavirus is in, and please, okay, I haven't been on here in a little while because my children, after I come back from town or anything, food is ready for me to eat. So now I'm not getting to make you show you how to make easy food to eat. But today I'm here, and don't forget, I'm here with my kitty. She said hello. So guys, because of this coronavirus, you can't be eating outside too much. You got to make easy and quick food to eat. Please, it's easy. 5-10 minutes, you're done. Bam, you eat it. So today we're going to make a simple and quick salmon stew, and all the ingredients we need to make it is all fresh. Salmon, spinach, we need fresh cut tomato, we need green pepper, we need some fresh cut onions. Cilantro is already in the bag. And the spices we need today for the cooking, we need some oregano, we need some cube, we need some pepper, we need some salt, and we need some turmeric for the sauce. As you know, I told you, you don't cook with too much oil. We need oil here, we need a pan here, empty pan. And now I'm just going to clean my fish. It's quick and easy. It's defrost. I just take it out. And then I always use salt to clean my everything. Like fish, I need salt or lemon. So first, I need some salt to season my fish. And I need some cube. We're still going to use it in the sauce, but we need little here. And we need some oregano. And we need a lot of garlic. My spinach is clean already, but still I'm going to soak it in some salt water for just some few minutes while browning my fish. So as I always say, you don't need too much oil to cook your food. Just I'm using little to brown the salmon. So just like that. Finish. And then you drop in your salmon. And nowadays, because of the virus too, you see my garlic, cut garlic, it's a lot. Yeah, I cook with a lot of garlic. And then I'm going to put in some of the mashed one too. On my chicken. Yeah, I cook with a lot of garlic. You see, it's good. So we're just going to let this brown a little. Then I'm going to add everything. So now I'm going to add my cut onion and cut green pepper at the side. See? We're just going to put everything in here. Quick and easy lunch. Don't go out to buy McDonald's or outside, cook food. Now that this thing is going on, you can eat this for 2 days. So now I'm going to add my clean cut cilantro, just a little in there. And please, you see, when it's lunchtime or dinner, just make something fresh from the garden, quick and eat. Don't just eat cereal or something. No, this is just onion and green pepper. It's easy, and your fresh salmon, healthy. Woo. And I'm going to add my tomato. And now I'm going to add all my spices now. So first I add some red crushed pepper. Then I'm going to add some cube for taste. And I need my salt. Then my turmeric. It makes food taste good. My kids love to cook with turmeric.
Kids as in AKA moi. Nana.
Nikki, Nana, yeah, she's there.
Nikki Nana.
Oh,
What does Nikki
Nana,
cook?
she cooks now.
What does this girl in her bonnet cook?
I cook up happiness.
Oh.
Brownies. She is the cook now. Everything checked, and then I'll sprinkle some more oregano leaves. So, see, quick and easy. And lastly, I'll add my spinach.
Mm.
Now I'm going to separate. Yeah, like that. So this is my spinach, healthy, fresh. You know, put it in here at the side. And your afternoon lunch is fresh. And now your afternoon lunch is fresh and almost ready to eat. And you can eat this with anything. Potato, rice, plantain, anything at all.
Yum.
Yam, yeah. Or even you can eat it like this. Without rice, without anything. It's good. It's a good lunch. So now I'm going to close it a little bit to cook. And I'll show you the finishing part, final result. Thank you guys. So this is the finishing part. I'm going to mix this finishing everything. See, and you have a sauce ready to eat. And we're going to, my children love plantain. So they're going to eat this with the sauce just this afternoon. See, quick and easy. So guys, what do you think? My beautiful sauce, beautiful salmon, healthy, spinach, everything inside. Green pepper, onions, quick and easy. So now it's ready to eat. I'll cook the plantain and then I serve the kids. I'm going to cover it for a while and then we're done. Bam! Lunch is served. Lunch is ready. Lunch is ready. I'm happy, quick and easy. This is the sauce. It's ready for lunch. Fresh, easy, quick, easy lunch. Please try and cook. Easy, easy. You have 1 tomato, onion. You can use it to cook anything. Put some spinach. You can use broccoli. You can use all the garden stuff. I mean, eat fresh. Eat at home. Just something little. Cook it and eat. It's healthy. Coronavirus is going round so much. I'm trying hard to eat at home. Trying my best to eat at home. So thank you. We're done here. Bye. Kitty say bye. Thank you.